Well, here's a simple truth I think we all know. In the last 50 years, the quality of American manufactured automobiles has gone from pretty good to pretty damn good. A lot of it has to do with the inspection process before the products leave the plant, and in the dealer's lot too. Well, there's a new company out called UVeye, and they want to add a second set of eyes to the inspection process. So what's that all about?
UVeye is basically a company that is able to understand and inspect cars really fast. We have a really simple solution, really simple device that you simply drive through it, and within seconds you get a full report of everything or the full status of the vehicle. We have a lot of cameras and other sensors that we're using. While the vehicle simply drives through the system, we analyze all components in the vehicle and we check from multiple angles every centimeter or millimeter in the vehicle to find the full status basically. So if you have a scratch, dent as small as 2 millimeters to really big mechanical issues, oil leakages, water leakages, rust, cracks, a hole in the exhaust pipe, or even if you don't have enough oil in the engine.
The technology you're using probably wasn't available 10 years ago.
Right.
And what impact has the advancement in technology made on developing this project?
So I think it wasn't available because we see a lot of progress in the whole sensors and hardware market, you can say. I think the mobile phones really changed the way that we can consume cameras, how the cameras work, and what resolution you're able to get in relatively cheap cameras. And on top of that, I think the hardware and the computing power really made us or enabled the way to analyze all the information that you capture from the camera. So you can get a really high resolution image and you have enough computing power to understand what you just, the image that you just took. Everyone can benefit from using our product because we really simplify the way that you can inspect vehicles, which is it takes a lot of time today. You need to have manual inspection, you need to have somebody that will put the car on a lift or will set in a pit to make sure he can seize everything, and this is exactly what we're trying to change.
Based in Israel, but you really are looking at a global market here.
Right.
There's hardly any big market that this will not have some application. Is that correct?
That's correct. So yes, we are based in Israel, but we open offices here in the United States, in Connecticut, and also in Germany and Japan, to be close to our customers and to be more engaged with our customers and to be able to support them. Today we already work with 5 car manufacturers. As part of the assembly line and the end of the assembly line, but also in logistics centers and dealerships. And now we're starting to work also with car fleets, which includes car rental companies and insurance companies.